Chapter 11. The 4R Framework: Remove, Replace, Reinoculate, Repair. Healing the gut requires a strategic and systematic approach. While simply eating healthier may provide some relief, true gut healing involves identifying and removing triggers, replenishing essential digestive components, repopulating the microbiome, and actively repairing the gut lining. One of the most effective and widely used protocols for gut health is the 4R framework: remove, replace, reinoculate, and repair. This science-backed strategy is used by functional medicine practitioners to restore gut integrity, rebalance the microbiome, and eliminate chronic inflammation. Whether you're dealing with bloating, food sensitivities, leaky gut, or even autoimmune issues, following this framework provides a clear roadmap to healing from the inside out. Step 1. Remove, eliminating gut disruptors. The first step in healing the gut is to remove all potential irritants, inflammatory foods, and harmful microbes that contribute to poor gut health. This includes inflammatory foods, processed foods, refined sugars, gluten, dairy, if sensitive, industrial seed oils, canola, soybean, corn, artificial sweeteners, and food additives all contribute to gut inflammation and microbiome imbalances. Food sensitivities, common trigger foods like gluten, dairy, soy, corn, and nightshades should be temporarily eliminated, especially if symptoms persist. Pathogenic bacteria, yeast, and parasites. Harmful bacteria, such as Candida overgrowth or small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, SIBO, can take over the gut microbiome, leading to bloating, gas, and poor digestion. Targeted herbal antimicrobials, probiotics, and digestive support can help eliminate them. Chronic stress, while not a food, stress plays a massive role in gut dysfunction. Chronic stress weakens the gut lining, alters gut bacteria, and increases inflammation. Managing stress through mindfulness, meditation, or deep breathing is a critical part of the removal phase. This phase can last anywhere from 2 weeks to a few months, depending on the severity of gut dysfunction. By removing the root causes of irritation and inflammation, the gut is given a chance to reset. Step 2. Replace, supporting proper digestion. Once harmful foods and gut disruptors are removed, the next step is to replace missing digestive components that are essential for breaking down food and absorbing nutrients. Many people with gut issues suffer from low stomach acid, enzyme deficiencies, or poor bile production, which impairs digestion. Digestive enzymes. Many individuals, especially those with gut damage, struggle to break down proteins, fats, and carbohydrates efficiently. Digestive enzyme supplements help break down food properly, reducing bloating and improving nutrient absorption. Stomach acid support, HCl and bitters. Many people suffer from low stomach acid, hypochlorhydria, which can lead to bloating, acid reflux, and poor nutrient absorption. Adding apple cider vinegar or HCl, hydrochloric acid, supplements can help restore stomach acid levels. Bile support for fat digestion. If the liver and gallbladder aren't producing enough bile, fats aren't properly broken down. Digestive bitters, dandelion root, or ox bile supplements can help improve fat digestion. Proper hydration and fiber. Drinking enough water and consuming fiber-rich foods, vegetables, seeds, and resistant starches help move waste through the digestive tract efficiently. By replacing these digestive essentials, the body can begin properly breaking down food and absorbing the nutrients needed to rebuild the gut lining. Step 3. Reinoculate. Restoring the microbiome. A strong gut is built on a diverse, healthy microbiome. After removing harmful bacteria and replacing missing digestive components, the next step is to repopulate the gut with beneficial bacteria through probiotics, prebiotics, and fermented foods. Probiotics, supplementing with high-quality probiotics containing lactobacillus, bifidobacterium, and Saccharomyces boulardii, helps restore balance to the gut flora. Fermented foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir, and yogurt provide natural probiotics. Prebiotics, these are the fibers that feed beneficial gut bacteria, allowing them to thrive. Foods like onions, garlic, asparagus, artichokes, bananas, and resistant starches, green bananas, cooked cooled potatoes, act as fuel for healthy microbes. Diverse, plant-based diet, the gut thrives on variety. Eating a wide range of vegetables, fruits, nuts, and seeds increases microbial diversity, strengthening gut health. Reduce antibiotic use when possible. Antibiotics kill off both harmful and beneficial bacteria. If antibiotics are necessary, following up with probiotics and gut-healing foods is crucial for rebalancing the microbiome. By repopulating the gut with beneficial bacteria, this phase helps restore balance, improve digestion, and strengthen the immune system. Step 4. Repair, healing the gut. Lining. Now that the gut is cleared of irritants, supported with digestive aids, and repopulated with good bacteria, the final step is to actively repair the gut lining and reduce inflammation. This is where true healing takes place. Collagen and bone broth. Rich in gelatin and amino acids like glutamine, which help seal and repair the gut lining. L-glutamine, an essential amino acid that plays a key role in rebuilding the intestinal wall and reducing gut permeability. Aloe vera and slippery elm. These plant-based compounds have soothing, anti-inflammatory effects that promote gut healing. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in wild-caught salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds. Omega-3s reduce inflammation and support gut lining integrity. Zinc and vitamin D. Both are crucial for immune function and gut barrier repair. Studies show zinc can tighten intestinal junctions, preventing leaky gut. Turmeric and ginger, powerful anti-inflammatory compounds that soothe the gut and support overall digestive function. By nourishing the gut lining with healing nutrients, the intestinal barrier can regenerate, strengthen, and restore proper function, ultimately leading to reduced inflammation and better overall health. The power of the 4R framework. The 4R framework is a comprehensive yet simple approach that allows the gut to heal systematically and efficiently. By removing harmful triggers, replacing essential digestive components, re-inoculating the gut with beneficial bacteria, and actively repairing the gut lining, this process addresses gut dysfunction at its core. While gut healing takes time, following this framework consistently can lead to profound improvements in digestion, immune function, mental clarity, energy levels, and even mood. It is a foundational strategy for anyone suffering from gut-related issues, chronic inflammation, or autoimmune conditions. In the next chapter, we'll explore the best gut-healing foods and supplements that accelerate recovery and optimize long-term gut health.